Hi, this is Luke for Production Experts, and this is using Eventide H3000 Factory to add instant stereo interest to mono sources. So here's an acoustic guitar that sounds like this. Now the H3000 hardware unit, as well as others made by Eventide, are purely digital processes, meaning that I can have all of that classic effects goodness in a DAW plugin. And a great way to add stereo interest is to use pitch and delay effects, such as those in the H3000. So I've dialed in this patch which emulates the sound of two H910 units patched together to give stereo, and I've got this lovely thickening effect. Now the basic ingredient of that effect is of course pitch shift, and I can easily change that simply by engaging the parameter with the soft keys and then wanging it around with the large dial over here. Hours of fun, and I've also based this effect loosely on some of the presets that come with the box. So in global mode, then I get all of these effects that the original unit shipped with. And we've also got these classic stereo delay effects as well. So all of these effects come from 27 effects blocks, and 18 of those are patchable into each other. So I've got my patch bay down here, and I can also change the order of effects by dragging and dropping down here if I need to. And the patch leads are color coded, which is quite useful. So yellow is for left, red is for right, blue is for modulation, and as you can see, I've got lots of sidechain action going on with my orange leads. And of course, there are lots of classic stereo effects available for vocals as well, using a box like the H3000. So here's my dry vocal.
You're taking a walk and you see in the flip side. Taking a walk and you see in the flip side.
So again, the main ingredient is of course pitch shift.
You're taking a walk and you see in the flip side.
And by using the combination of the H3000's pitch and delay effects, I can get some great stereo interest on my mono vocal. Loving this stereo delay.
You're taking a walk and you see in the flip side. Taking a walk and you see in the flip side. You're taking a walk and you see in the flip side. Taking a walk and you see in the flip side.
I can also get some more repeats going.
Taking a walk and you see in the flip side. Taking a walk.
But right now I'm loving the H3000's classic stereo ADT type effect on my vocal.
You're taking a walk and you see in the flip side. Taking a walk and you see in the flip side. Taking a walk and you see in the flip side. Taking a walk and you see in the flip side.
So that's using the H3000 Factory from Eventide to add instant stereo interest to mono sources. To find out more and to read our full article, head over to the Production Experts blog.